What if your tailgate party felt bigger than the game itself? What if the moment friends pulled into the parking lot, they knew your setup was the one everyone would be talking about? Tailgating isn't just about food. It's about energy. It's about team spirit. It's about turning a parking space into a full game-to-day celebration. Imagine bold team colors flying proudly, tables styled with spirit and excitement, music playing, grills sizzling, and decorations that make your tailgate feel like a pre-game festival. Today we're sharing tailgate party decoration ideas that are fun, bold, and unforgettable. Ideas that transform your setup into the ultimate game day headquarters.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What colors work best for tailgate party decorations? Color is everything at a tailgate. It represents identity and spirit. Team colors should dominate the space. Bold shades create energy. Contrasting accents add excitement and movement. When colors are coordinated across tables, tents, and decor, the tailgate feels organized and powerful. It immediately shows your team pride. Subscribe for more party and game day decor inspiration. Why are decorations important for a tailgate party? Tailgate decorations set the tone before kickoff even begins. They create atmosphere and excitement. Game day is about passion and pride. Decorations show team loyalty. They bring fans together. They make your space easy to spot in a crowded lot. When your setup looks festive and intentional, people naturally gather around. It becomes the place where memories are made before the game even starts. If you love game day vibes, tap like and get ready for kickoff. How can tents and canopies enhance a tailgate setup? Tents and canopies are both practical and decorative. They create structure for your space. They provide shade and comfort. They anchor your setup visually. They become a backdrop for everything else. When styled with team colors and accents, they turn a simple parking spot into a festive fan zone. Check the description for canopy styling ideas featured here. How can tables be decorated for maximum tailgate impact? Tables are the heart of the tailgate. They hold food, drinks, and conversation. Themed table covers add bold visual appeal. Coordinated serving pieces create consistency. Decorative touches add personality. A decorated table feels like a celebration hub. It draws guests in and keeps the energy alive. Save this video to your playlist for game day table ideas. How can seating areas be styled for comfort and fun? Comfort matters at a tailgate. Guests should feel relaxed and energized. Coordinated seating adds visual unity. Portable chairs keep the space flexible. Styled arrangements encourage interaction. When seating feels welcoming, guests stay longer. The tailgate becomes a place of connection and celebration. Check the description for seating setup ideas shown here. How can signage and banners boost team spirit? Signage adds excitement and character to the setup. It makes your tailgate feel official. Bold banners show pride. Creative signs spark conversation. Team-themed visuals create immersion. When signs are displayed clearly, they amplify enthusiasm. They turn your area into a true fan zone. Like and share this video if you love showing team spirit. How can lighting enhance a tailgate party atmosphere? Lighting keeps the energy going even as the sun sets. It creates warmth and visibility. String lighting adds ambiance. Focused lighting highlights decor. Balanced brightness keeps the setup safe and fun. Great lighting transforms your tailgate, from daytime gathering to nighttime celebration. Comment if you prefer daytime or night game tailgates. And that is how you create incredible tailgate party decorations, bold, spirited, and full of game day energy. This is decor that brings fans together. Decor that celebrates loyalty and excitement. Decor that turns a simple tailgate into a full-blown event. Fly the colors proudly. Turn up the music. Let the celebration start long before kickoff. Because sometimes, the best part of game day happens right there in the parking lot.